Hello traders, hope you're doing well. From the time we started publishing our videos on YouTube, we have got a lot of feedback and support from you guys. Thank you so much for that. I personally read each and every message that you send to me over WhatsApp, and also I go through all your YouTube comments. In this video, I'll try to answer top 2 questions which was asked to me over WhatsApp and YouTube. The first question, when will the course be ready? Traders, this question has been asked to me by so many of you. To be honest, I am happy to know a lot of you guys have found the content to be useful. At the same time, your comments and messages has made us work hard, get the course ready as soon as possible. As of now, I'm happy to inform to you guys that we have completed almost 80% of the course. The entire course will be available to you guys in 1 week or 10 days at max. The main purpose of us uploading the initial price action lecture series video on YouTube was because we wanted a genuine feedback. All your positive comments and feedback is used to help us improve the content of the course. Second most asked question is, do you give calls and tell me when to enter a trade and how to exit and book profit? Basically, they're asking me for shortcut to make money quickly. Traders, in my initial days of trading, which was in 2013, I was also looking for shortcuts. As I slowly gained knowledge and learned things the hard way, I can confidently tell you there is no shortcut for success. I was fortunate enough to interact with a lot of successful people in this field and gained a lot of advice which helped me grow and make me what I am today. This price action lecture series is an effort to help those who are facing the same kind of difficulties which I faced during my initial days. My sincere request to you guys is, do not depend on anybody for tips and information, okay? That will not last for long. Traders, are you aware of how a lot of people are being scammed by the so-called watch call agencies? Let me explain that to you with an example. Let us say they have a list of 100 numbers who has a Demat account. They will call all of these 100 numbers and tell them they will provide tips with the help of which they can easily double their capital in just 1 or 2 weeks. We as an Indian, we do not believe anything that is too good to be true, right? So to gain our trust, they will say, we will give you tips for 2 trades for free. Let us say that you are trading in Nifty. Out of that 100 contacts, for 50 contacts, they will say Nifty will go up tomorrow. And for the other 50 people, they will say Nifty will go down tomorrow. The market obviously will either go up or down, right? Let us say Nifty went up tomorrow. They will call only those 50 people for whom they told that the market will go up tomorrow and tell them, see, I was right. But we as an Indian, we need double confirmation, isn't it? So we will say, give me one more call tip for free, then I will trust you. Now that 50 people which he has, he will split it into 2 groups. Let us say 25-25. For one group, he will say, tomorrow Nifty will go up. And for the other group, he will say Nifty will go down. Let us say the Nifty goes down tomorrow. He will call those 25 people for whom he said Nifty will go down, and now he will tell them, see, I have given you 2 tips with 100% accuracy. If you want our service, then you need to take a monthly subscription package or you need to take annual package. Now he has gained our trust. What do you think will happen next? We will fall for his trap and we will make payment, right? You think you will get the same kind of result after you make the payment? They will do this day in and day out. And especially during this COVID pandemic situation, a lot of them are showing interest towards trading and they are falling for this trap. I'm not telling everyone is doing that, but I'm just letting you know shortcut will not last. Some might argue saying that their agencies are helping them to make consistent profit. That might be true. But what will happen if they decide that they don't want to do this business anymore? they want to close it next month, or they start demanding more commission. What will you do? That is why in any field, shortcut won't last. First learn, then you can earn. I believe you guys are very smart and you will not fall for this trap, right? If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. As soon as our course is ready, I will be sharing that with you on YouTube. So please stay tuned for that. Traders, that's all for today. Happy weekend. I will see you in the next video.